Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 5 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. This is a 30-day journey that is of day 5. So if you are interested in joining the community and being a part of this 30-day journey, go ahead, go down to the description box below and click on the link, and you can sign up for free. All of the classes are here on YouTube, or you can just do this class, whatever you prefer. So today we are going to start off with the affirmation. Today is filled with possibility. Let's go ahead and think about that. Today is filled with possibility. Let's go ahead. We're going to start off in thunderbolt position today. Hands on top of the thighs, close to the knees. We're going to do our 3 ohms, our little mantra to begin the practice. We inhale through the nose and out through the mouth to cleanse the air, to cleanse the body. And we begin deep inhale into the belly. We exhale. Another, we inhale. One more, we inhale. Finding the breath, coming back to a neutral breath. Great, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started, continuing on with our practice. From here, we're going to stay in thunderbolt position. We're going to drop one of the hands down to the mat, lifting up the other, gently bending, and keeping those sit bones on the ankles and keeping the feet, tops of the feet grounded on the mat. Right, so really feeling that in our left or right, depending on what side you started with. Side body, down in that lower back. Gently coming down as we exhale, as we inhale, we lift up, taking it to the other side. Really opening up the chest, the side body, this armpit region, which feels oh so nice. Gently taking it back down. From here, we're going to clasp the hands behind the back, gently interlacing the fingers, rolling down the shoulder blades, and then just allowing the head to just kind of fall back. If you have any type of cervical issues here, I suggest maybe just staying up like this and just allowing the chest to open, right? So don't push it, right? If you're a little bit more advanced, you can drop it down and allow the neck to fall, right? So wherever it feels comfortable for you this morning. From here, we gently come up wherever you are. Release the hands, bring them back out in front of you, gently floating them onto the mat. From here, we're just going to open the body up, so we're just going to take some nice little circular motions with the hips. Maybe have the knees a little bit wider than hip width apart, right? Really just trying to play around with that range of motion. Right? It doesn't always have to be exactly one way. You know, we like to play around a little. Perfect. From here, we're going to rock back and forth. And maybe if you want, you can now bring the knees together as we're rocking back and forth. noticing if there are any sensations that change, noticing if one direction or one way felt better than the other. Right, so really just trying to find that stretch for you this morning. From here, we're going to tuck the back toes, lifting up, making the hands wide, pushing up, floating those hips back, taking it to downward facing dog. Just really working out the body, letting everything loosen up. From here, we're going to hold this for one more breath. And as we exhale, we're going to walk the feet to the hands. Releasing the breath, gently having a bend in those knees, allowing the chest to fall to the tops of the knees. Releasing any tension in the neck. If you would like, you can clasp your elbows. Gently maybe rocking back and forth from side to side. Whenever you're ready, pushing into the feet, releasing the clasp of the elbows, with the knees bent, gently coming up. Using the breath, coming up vertebrae by vertebrae, standing tall. Really here, just having a deep inhale. Saying good morning, breathing into the body. Allowing the hands to fall beside the body. Here in mountain pose, our tailbone is tucked. From here, we're going to really ground down in the feet, feel those toes gripping onto the mat. Really feel that ground down in this asana, in this pose. Now from here, we're going to imagine that light is beaming out through the body. It's going out through the fingertips, and we're going to push out wide our hands, expand the hands, really, really sinking down, grounding down. And when I tell you, I invite you to flex every muscle in your body. Right? We're not trying to provoke anything. If anything hurts, please stop. Right? But just flex everything. We're going to hold that for a few seconds and then release. Right? So we inhale and flex. Flexing the muscles, those glutes, the legs, the arms, the biceps, the face muscles. Flex, flex, flex. And release, exhaling. Right, just letting that air out. We're going to do that one more time. We inhale, grounding down in the feet. And we hold, flexing everything, flexing all of those muscles, our face muscles, our feet, our hands, our forearms, the glutes, the abdominals. And release. Oh, here we just shake it out, allowing the body to relax, maybe feeling a wave of relaxation. From here, we're going to take it to the top of our mat. We're going to inhale, hands above head. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, head and chest come up. Exhale, we forward fold, walking the feet back into downward facing dog, allowing the feet to come to the mat. From here, we turn, taking it down onto our back. Relaxing, releasing, allowing the body to fall to the mat. If you would like, here you can take a happy baby, holding on either underneath the knees or grabbing on to those big toes, whatever is most comfortable for you. Bringing the knees together, gently dropping the feet to the mat. Taking it into a little savasana. Today is filled with possibility. Whether saying it in your mind's eye or saying it aloud, we repeat, today is filled with possibility. You can either stay here and enjoy a little bit more savasana before you start your day. You can roll onto your side, gently using your hands as guides to come up. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me today. I can't believe it, we're already on day 5. I love you all so much. Again, have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.